So we are here at the original McDonald's in San Bernardino, California. Look at this beauty. Look at this super old school stuff. So it's raining a little bit, but still fun. We wanted to stop by before going to Vegas. As you can see, the burgers used to be 15 cents. They even say over there, we don't sell any 15-cent hamburgers, but we serve plenty of free memories. Hello, we are at the first McDonald's. It's very quiet in here, but we're very excited because they have a lot of original stuff. Products from McDonald's like all over the world. Here is in Mexico style. Go Mexico! Yum! So I made sandwiches, huevo con chorizo, obviously vegan version. I used just egg and soy rizo because we're cheap and we don't want to spend money on food on the road because everything is so expensive, and this trip was very unexpected, and so we're trying to save money. So lunch it is. It's very cold. This is our second stop at this amazing McDonald's. They have more food over there, but we can like eat in one of those like trains. They're like trains, and so we're gonna order some food. And I believe they have more restaurants over on that side. But Hobby's craving McDonald's, so we're gonna get McDonald's. Yeah. It's 1:50 a.m. We don't have a place to go right now because we booked our hotel for tomorrow, not today. So we're just gonna sleep in the parking lot in the car and check in tomorrow. But we made it! Yay! We came to White Castle.
White Castle.
Because he wants to try it. We don't have that in California, so
yeah.
He's trying the slider and I'm trying the veggie slider. They have a veggie slider. So yay! Good morning. We just woke up we spent the night at the Rio hotel parking, and yeah, we were so tired, so we just went straight to sleep. And it's almost 11 a.m. We're gonna go see if we can do we're gonna go see if we can do an early check-in. We got a room. We got an early check-in, and we're just gonna go see the room. Whoa! This is a nice room. We got our badges! Woo! So now we're gonna go to CES. Okay, so this booth, I'm very excited because they have vegan milk. So it says real milk color percent is not milk. So I'm very excited.
포화색도 만들었고요. 베이글 같은 경우에는 저희 제조 그 공장이 있어서 거기서 베이커.
Okay, so to begin with, even before going vegan, I really didn't like milk. So I'm gonna see how this tastes. It tastes like vegan milk. It's good though. It's a little bit more creamy than the regular vegan milk. You can still taste a little bit of like plant, I guess, on it or something. It's not bad. It's not bad, but like I guess for people that really like milk, this wouldn't be a good option. But for someone that is not like a big fan of milk, this is great. I like it. I would drink it.
Yeah, I think it's the best milk alternative.
It's the best milk. Oh, sorry. I think it's the best milk alternative I found. So we just went to that booth over there. It's great. So let me show you the little thing, the book. So it's basically a in-home composter. Is that what it's called? So if you like to compost, you know it's like it's very smelly when you compost on your own, and the flies come all over the place, and it's a mess. But this one is basically instantly. You put your food scraps in there, turn it on, and then it does its magic. It turns it into compost, basically. It sterilizes it, and it's ready to put it in your garden or do whatever you want with it. It's great. It's great for the environment too, because we want to be more eco-friendly. So check them out. They are selling this online. I'm a pilot now. So cute! I love that thing. Oh my god! It's my first time here at the... ¿Es el Venecio? Never mind. This is my first time seeing this. Have you ever seen a manual shift Tesla? Let me show you. We are back in the hotel. I think we're gonna order some food and then just go to bed, so we are ready, so we can be ready for CES tomorrow. All right, food is here. We got some chicken wings for hubby, and then we got some mozzarella sticks, and I will show you my pizza in a bit. And my pizza, ta-da! I ordered a pizza with bell peppers, broccoli, and I know a lot of people are gonna hate me for this, and pineapple. We are team pineapple, right? Hubby's just dying, and yeah, we are finally going to bed. We had a great dinner, and yeah, we're so ready to sleep. Good night. Good morning. Today is day 2 of CES. We are leaving in about 20-30 minutes. So I'm just gonna make some breakfast so we don't spend a lot of money on food over there. And this camera is really heavy and it's killing my arm. Sorry. So yeah, let's make breakfast. So I'm gonna make some sandwiches of peanut butter. We call it peanut butter. It's peanut butter and jelly. Yum. Okay, so now it's time to make my breakfast. This cereal slash granola, whatever, it's really good. So I'm gonna have that. I don't usually like cereal with milk, so I'm not even gonna put milk on it. I'm just gonna eat it just like that. So yeah. Okay, so I made some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for myself too, and hubby brought me this orange juice. Yummy. So I'm gonna have that with some orange juice and a little bit of the granola, and I think that should be enough. Who needs room service when you can make your own breakfast? Let me show you. Gourmet gourmet peanut butter and jelly, gourmet granola, and gourmet orange juice. Yum. That's it. I'm full. That's a good breakfast. Now let's go to CES. Hello, today is day 2 of CES. Today we're actually at the main exhibit hall. It's huge, as you can see. We don't really know where to go, but we're very excited to walk around and see all the good stuff. So let's go. So I'm 170 centimeters. I think it's 5'7", I don't know. But look at the size of this thing. Like, just look at it. Even if I put my arm up, like, I can't even reach. It's huge. We are done looking at the car exhibit. I'm so tired because I don't like cars. That was pretty boring. But now we're gonna go there. Where it's Google. We're almost there. I'm so tired, but we got this. Let's go. Look at all these packages that I packed for Guillaume's too. I wished. They are so cute. I lost. I suck at video games. I want these. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Sunny over there. This is exciting because we're gonna go to Sunny for the biggest Sunny fanboy behind the camera. That guy. Mi viejo, my husband. Let's go.
Here we go.
We're gonna go to a VR experience over there. We're almost there. We're next. We're done! It was so awesome! Like you could, I don't know how dumb we look in the actual video, but like you can see everything, like you can move furniture and you can look around. It's, I don't know, I wish I could describe it better to you, but it's great. It's 100% worth it.
Just 20.
Oh my god, what?
Cool.
That's so cool! I want to see the dog!
And you're gonna get drowned.
Oh no,
Oh,
no. Bye! Well, we got... We are so dead. The convention's over. We can't feel our legs or feet, like, at all. But hold on. But it was worth it. We got to try a lot of good things and it was fun, but we're just dead.
Alright, we're going to south or west?
South, yeah.
South, okay.
We are completely lost. Our car is like, I don't know how many miles or whatever, far from here, so we're just gonna walk, hope for the best, hope we don't get lost. It's very cold. We're almost there. Almost there. I swear you can see already like the... We made it out of the bridge. Now we're just gonna cross. Now we're just gonna cross and see where we, I don't know. We are almost in the car. I've been saying that for like hours, but I promise you this is the last time I say it, I think. There it is, the car. After, I think we walked like a mile and a half or something. We made it. Ah! We are finally in the car now. Literally, now we're in the car. We're just gonna rest for a little bit because Hobby doesn't even feel his legs. And my legs right now are like, how do you say it? Like pulsating. And so, yeah, we're gonna rest and then we're gonna go get dinner. Yay! We came to this restaurant. It's like cook your own skewers. Yeah. It was delicious. We are so full and so ready to go to bed. It's 2 in the morning and we're gonna go to CES tomorrow like around 8 a.m. I don't know how we're gonna sleep or wake up or anything, but we're ready for tomorrow. Last day of CES and this food was delicious. Good night. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. We'll find out. Driving.
So, we ran into a little bit of a few issues. We ran out of memory, but we finally solved all that stuff. So we didn't record the third date of CES because we only had like 5 minutes in that memory, but it was really fun. Now we are on our way back to California, but we wanted to stop by this amazing place, Pioneer Saloon. ¿Qué pediste? What do you get?
Got ghost tater skins. Steak fried plate.
Yeah. Hi, so we are starving right now because we haven't had any food for like a lot of time. We woke up very early to get everything ready, and then we had a lot of issues coming back from California because I guess all the people from that went to CES that are from California are also going back. So traffic was crazy, right?
Yes, yes.
Was insane.
We found this place though.
We found this place though, so we're excited to try it and see if the traffic goes down a little bit, and then we can go back. Other than that, CES was really fun. I think we enjoyed. What did you like the most, actually? I'm gonna interview my husband. What do you like the most about CES?
I think. I don't know. I really enjoyed playing PlayStation VR 2. I'm excited for next month.
First meal. This is the tots, skin tots. This is what Hubby ordered. He ordered steak pieces and I got a veggie piece. I'm a sucker for this kind of things. It says $1 for a good time. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna use my $1.
Yeah, boy club. Here I am in my nice little place here. Yeah, it looks like a little office. Yeah, got 3 seats, that's it. Just about bottom out here, but just about a few more pages.
Okay, well, dollar well spent. Go Tigres Femenil! Las adoro. I'm just watching this on the road when we go back home. Okay, we're like maybe an hour or 2 hours away from home, but I'm just gonna finish the vlog now because it's getting too long, and we are parked outside at Target because it's raining like crazy, and we're just gonna wait for the rain to go down a little bit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next studio vlog. Bye! But over on that side, there's a lot of snow in the mount. So there's a lot of snow over on that side in the mountain. And it even sterilizes. It, ¿cómo se dice esteriliza? Hello. So today is day 2 of CES. Perdón, me distrajeron unos chavos que estaban pasando y me estaban viendo. Cut. Lo balancearon el principal. No, no es cierto, nada. Nada. Looks so pretty. Que se ve todo muy bonito. As you can see here. Ay, quedó. It's my first time here at the... ¿Es el Venecio? At the Venecia. Chingüeta. ¡Qué vergüenza!